Hello everyone. Today's thought is do the right thing even when no one is looking. Children, the shortest and sweetest way to live with honor in the world is to be in reality what we would appear to be. So, remember that always do the right thing even when no one is looking. Children, we have completed part 1 of mathematics textbook. Now today we will start part 2. In that part 2, see lesson number 10, addition by carrying over. Now here there are 10 blocks. If we count it separately, then it is 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 units, 5 unit, 6 unit, 7 unit, 8 unit, 9 unit and 10 unit. These are 10 units. Okay. And if we combined it, then we get 110. Okay. What does it mean? 10 units equals to 110. Okay. These are 10 units and when we combined it, we get 1/10. So, 10 units is equal to 1/10. So, instead of 10 units, we can write 1/10. Okay. So, 10 units equals to 1/10. So, 10 U stands for units equals to 1 T. Children, you have to remember this. Okay. Now, see one example. 6U means units. 6U plus 7U. Now, first of all, what we have to do? We have to add these two numbers. 6 plus 7, we get 13. So, 13U. We get 13U. Now, this 13U can be written as 10U plus 3U. Okay, because 13 equals to 10 plus 3. So, 13U equals to 10U plus 3U. Now, 10U, 10 units equals to 1/10. So, instead of 10U, we can write 1T. So, it is as good as, so it is equals to 1T 3U. Okay. So, 13U is equal to 1T 3U. Okay. See the next one. Now here this is 1/10. Okay. 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, 7/10, 8/10, 9/10 and 10/10. Now this 10/10 is equal to 100. Okay, if we combine these 10/10s, what we get? We get 100. So 10/10s is nothing but 100. Okay, so this can be written as 10T equals to 1H. Okay, how can we write it? 10T equals to 1H. Now, based on this, there are certain examples. Now, let's see 5T plus 7T. T stands for tens. Okay. Now, first of all, we have to add the number 5 plus 7. We get 12. So, 5T plus 7T, we get 12T. Now, this 12 can be written as 10 plus 2. So, 12T can be written as 10T plus 2T. Now 10T. 10/10 is nothing but 100. So instead of 10/10, we can write 1H. So it is 1H 2/10. Okay. See the next one. 33T means 33/10. This can be written as 33 can be written as 30 plus 3. So 33T equals to 30T plus 3T. Now this 30T, we know that 10T equals to 100, 10T equals to 100, so 20T equals to 200 and 30T equals to 300. So instead of 30T, we can write 3H and 3 t. Okay. See the next one. 56t equals to 50t plus 6t. Now 10t equals to 1h. So 50t equals to 5h and 6t. Okay. So 56t you can directly write it as 5h 6t. Okay. 33t can be written as 3h 3t. Now based on this conversion, there is one exercise. There are some problems in your textbook, maths textbook, page number 50. So let's solve this example. The question is, write the proper numbers in the empty boxes. First is 12t means. First is already solved here. Now 12t means 10 plus 2. 10t plus 2t, and 10t can be written as 1h and 2t. Okay. So 12t can be written as 1h 2t. Similarly 15t means. Now 15t equals to 10t plus 5t. Okay, and 10t equals to 1h. So here 1h and 5t. Okay, 1h and 5t. Similarly 17t means 1h and 7t. Okay, 1h and 7t. Like this 18t means 1h 8t, and 21t means 2h 1t. 21t means 20t plus 1t. Now 20t means 2h and 1t. Now on the other side, reverse of this is given. Now 1h 2t is given and you have to write the answer. Now here 1h 2t. So 10 plus 2, so we get 12. Okay, 100 means 10 tens. So 10 plus 2 we get 12, or 1 2 it is 12. So it is 12t. Similarly 1h 4t means 1 4 14t. 3h 2t means 3 2 32t. 4h 3t means 4 3 43t. 5h 9t means 5 9 59t. In this way you have to solve this example in textbook itself. Okay, textbook page number 50, and after that see the answers from here. So children, today we stop here. In the next class we will see next topic of the same lesson. Till then, happy learning.